Idol, I'm running 5 times a week and high protein, low carb diet. So, para saan yung high protein mo kung hindi ka nag-workout to stimulate, to build muscle? The only time you need protein is to build and repair muscle. Kung di tayo nag-workout sa gym or with body weights, kung sports lang tayo, parang 0.06 to 0.08 lang per kilogram ang kailangan natin. Kasi wala naman tayong binibuild and repair na muscle. Tumatakbo lang tayo, pinapagod natin yung mga joints natin, yung katawan natin, binaburn natin yung glycogen stores, we're not developing muscle. Pero kung ano naman tayo, uphill, mabilis sprint, pwede ka muscle sa legs, which is I doubt na ginagawa mo 5 times a week dahil mahirap naman maghanap ng uphill sa Pilipinas. Magpapakahirap ka pa, mas madali pa makahanap ng gym, bawat kanto meron na. So yun yung mga difference. So kung ganyan naman running ka lang, moderate carbs, moderate protein, moderate fats. Tama kayo, mali ako, I'm not your doctor. Do what works for you. God bless.